Reed Academy is home to 600 students and a group of dedicated teachers and staff who want the best for them. Building a new school would create an environment that fosters their learning and inspires them to succeed.
Reed Academy opened in 1923, and its condition and design are no longer conducive to the type of learning experience we want to provide students. The Community Task Force on Facilities has recommended constructing a new school to address infrastructure issues like inadequate plumbing and electrical systems, accessibility barriers, and security challenges.
One of the biggest limitations that we currently have in our building is getting all 600 students through lunch in an efficient manner to maximize their instructional time. At this time, we have to utilize both the cafeteria and the gymnasium in order to feed all students effectively. We have to move these lunch tables into the gymnasium in order to allow students a place to sit during lunch. We have a very short time frame to move these tables into the cafeteria and less than 7 minutes to pull them back into the hallway and clean up so students can go back into their instructional class the next period.
Small classrooms currently limit the flexibility for student collaboration and interactive classes. A new school constructed on the current campus can be tailored to meet Reed's unique needs as it expands opportunities for fine and performing arts.
Our current auditorium at Reed does not allow for us to adequately host families and community members for concerts and performances and is not ADA compliant. A new facility would allow for an auditorium that allows us to host community stakeholders, families, and school assemblies and allow our students to more deeply explore the arts.
I know from experience that Reed is the heart of this neighborhood, and we want it to continue serving students for generations in the future.
Remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th on Proposition S.